All right, everybody, today we're going to talk about Lesson 6C, Product of Powers Property. So we're going to take a look at some exponents. So you'll notice 3 squared, 3 to the third, 5 squared, 5 to the first, and so on. We're going to look at, there's actually a shortcut or a property in algebra that allows us to figure out what this answer is without having to work it out the long way. So I'm going to show you the long way first, and then we'll discover the shortcut. So we know 3 squared is just 3 times 3. So on your paper, on your notes, I want you to write 3 times 3. So this one right here is 3 squared. And then I have 3 to the third. So this is 3 squared. That's the first one. This is 3 to the third. Well, this is also the same as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. There's 5 of them. So 3 squared times 3 to the third is really 3. Oop, my marker's not working. 3 to the fifth. So we're going to figure out, do I always need to write this out all the way? Or is there a shortcut or a pattern I'm noticing? So before I say what it is, you may have already figured it out. 5 squared is 5 times 5. So there's 5 squared times 5 to the first. Well, now I have 1, 2, 3, 5 to the third. So you may have started to figure out what a shortcut is. 2 squared, 2 times 2, 2 to the fifth, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now, I know most of you are not going to want to write all of these out. So I noticed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 of them. So what we're going to do is figure out the relationship between this and this without having to do everything in the middle. So we can use, and this is called repeated multiplication. So repeated multiplication to rewrite a product of powers. Sorry, my marker is dying. I'll try to write that a little darker for you. Sorry if you can't see that. Oh, and that one's not working. A product of powers. Okay, so some of you may have already found that relationship, that 3 squared times 3 to the third is just 3 to the fifth. Guess what? All you're doing for the product of powers, you're just going to add the 2 exponents if the base is the same. So the base has to be the same. If it's a product, you're going to add 2 plus 3, which gives us 5. If the base is the same and it's a product, 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 5 is 7. So 2 multiply powers with the same base, so it has to be the same base, you are simply going to add the exponents. So now you're going to try in your notes 1 through 4 on your own. So you should have filled out, we just did the top part together. I'd like for you to try 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we will discuss those in class, or I may post another video for those 4. All right, good luck.